Chat, what is good, what is great, what it is, what you ain't, it's your boy Eraxk, and you know what? We back up in this day. That's it, we back. No, man, let me start with the intro like that, fuck, nigga. But no, chat, we got fucking Over Now by Hurricane Wisdom, my guy, nigga. This is one of my deuces, nigga. If I ever get the chance to meet him, I'm glazing. No, I'm trolling, my nigga. I'm probably older than that nigga to be acting like that. But no, I'm most definitely. I need to connect me with that nigga so we can get a stream in motion, nigga, or something, nigga, like that ass. But nah, chat. We finna just get into it, nigga. Ain't no point in me just talking. We finna just get straight into this shit. I look, you want to hear this right now. The homie said, "Hey, nigga, go listen to that Over Now by that nigga Hurricane Wizard." I said, I fuck with that nigga. Come on. Damn, not the teddy bear on fire. She holding it.
I stay for good,
Okay, this different. Why?
It ain't too hard to try. I done shed so many tears, it's getting hard to cry.
Facts.
I done thumbed through so much, but it's down there hard to lie.
Facts.
Heart too big to hide. Sad to say it's getting colder. Gave what I can give, it's good to say I'm getting older.
Yeah.
No, I don't like to be alone, but you can leave. Know the time, you screaming it ain't over till it's over. But it's over now, you heard it loud for me. I be in the post, not the type to post, you the type to post. Now I did you wrong, I be wrong if I switch calls. I just went goals, money long.
Oh, hold on, they gonna say, I don't type to post, you the type to post, and it's, oh my, hold on, listen, my man, that shit hard, nigga, that shit hard, I done type to post, and that nigga post, my bad,
Screaming it ain't over till it's over.
I'm gonna learn these. What'd he say?
I be in the post, not the type to post, you the type to post. Now I did you wrong, I be wrong if I switch calls. I just went goals, money long, could've went goals. He kinda figured out yet, I'm just paying my bills. I think that's how it's supposed to be, I don't even know where I live. You close.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, this right here, nigga, this my shit, nigga. I'm still in my relationships, I don't know about being over now, but nigga, this shit right here hitting, nigga.
To me, my guard up, you know how that is. Steady running off of fumes, and Lord know how I get. Screaming up and down the cup, but I don't know if I quit. I say, they say you live and you learn. Okay, you spend on folks' money and put away what you earn. If you load that footy out, you better know that he burn. These youngins living real life, it ain't that hard to die, you know. Hey, it ain't too hard to try. I shed so many tears, it's getting hard to cry.
Come on.
I done thought through so much, man, it's down there hard to lie. My heart too big to hide. It's sad to say it's getting colder. Gave what I can give, scared to say I'm getting older.
He gotta run it back one time like that.
Know the type, screaming it ain't over till it's over. But it's over now, you heard it loud from me.
Right here. Post, I'm the type to post, you the type to post, tell everybody that they can go. He supposed to run that back. He supposed to run that back right there. Hold on. I'll run it back.
In the post, not the type to post, you the type to post. Now I did you wrong, I be wrong if I switch calls. I just went goals, money long, could've went goals. He kinda figured out yet, I'm just paying my bills.
Come on.
I don't even know why.
They all fly, yeah, we a different flight, yeah, we private flight, yeah, no need for autopilot, yeah, no we